Welcome to All About Law, where we dive into the intricacies of property acquisition in paradisiacal Seychelles for non-residents. If you've ever dreamt of owning a slice of this tropical paradise, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the crucial steps, regulations, and essential tips you need to know before purchasing property in Seychelles as a non-Seychelles. From understanding government sanctions to navigating the application process, we've got you covered with expert guidance to make your property acquisition smooth and compliant. Stay tuned as we embark on this exciting journey. As a non-Seychellois, whether you're an individual or a corporate body, you can purchase privately owned immovable property in Seychelles, subject to obtaining sanction from the government of Seychelles. Please be aware that a non-Seychellois cannot purchase any immovable property owned by the state, unless in specific instances. However, with the necessary approvals and sanctions, one could hold such property on a long-term lease. The same conditions apply for acquiring freehold land on any of the outlying Seychelles Islands. Keep in mind also that a non-Seychellois is not permitted to purchase immovable property sold by the state under the Land Bank program. To purchase, lease, or hold an option to purchase immovable property in Seychelles, submit an application for sanction to the Office of the Principal Secretary, Ministry of Land Use and Housing, directly or through a notary or an attorney in Seychelles. Remember, there is a processing fee for the application, equivalent to 1.5% of the property's market value. In the case of a leasehold interest, this fee equals 1.5% of the annual rent. Acquisition of property through purchase or lease must be related to an approved development project. If you're considering purchasing a holiday home or residential development within a tourism resort, the rules are guided by the villas policy. This includes the rates of taxes payable and other conditions of purchase. On the other hand, if your purchase falls outside these guidelines, you'll need to pay a sanction duty of 11% of the property's market value, in addition to the stamp duty. For investments in tourism or industrial sectors, or other bona fide investments coming under the villas policy, you're exempt from the sanction duty. You can collect the sanction application form from the Office of the Principal Secretary, Ministry of Land Use and Housing, or download it from their website. The application must be accompanied by certain documentation. These requirements differ for individual applicants and corporate bodies. As an individual, ensure you have a certified true copy of your passport details, utility bills as proof of address, police clearance, a signed declaration on whether you are a politically exposed person, and a proof of funds for the transaction. Corporate bodies require more comprehensive documentation, including certificate of incorporation, memorandum and articles of association, share certificates, register of directors, and much of the same personal information for the ultimate beneficial owners that individuals must submit. There are also specific document requirements for the property vendor, whether an individual or a corporate body. Remember, any document not in English or French must be translated and accompanied by the full contact details of the translator. Lastly, note that there's an amnesty program for non-Seychellois beneficial owners of immovable property that might have previously been acquired through nominee companies or Seychellois nationals. They can submit an application for sanction to regularize their ownership. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more content on this channel.